Well, today we got a mouth-watering treat. It's the best ever smashed cheeseburger. Oh my goodness, my mouth is just watering just thinking about it. I've got to share this with you. Let me tell you, you're gonna really love it. We want you, of course, to subscribe because we've got so many great recipes to share with you, okay? Let us know what you think. Maybe you've made some burgers, you want to exchange ideas with us. Put it in the comment file. We'd love to hear the comment file. So, of course, subscribe, like us. If you got any questions, let me know so I can respond to you. And personally, thank you for being part of our family because we've got a lot to share. All right, now I'm going to show you how to quickly make your burgers. We're going to assemble them. Here's some tips that you're going to want to know about. Now, you know, if you stick around to the end of this video, you're going to get a whole bunch more tips because that's what it's all about. Learning how to do this and how to make it so tasty. And we're going to show you. So, first of all, my best tools, my two hands, right? This is going to form my burgers. Now, I'm going to use water. Why? Because I'm using 80-20, so there's 20% fat in this ground beef, which means it'll stick to my hands. Put some water on it, easy job. Then I have here a quarter cup, and I just form it into a quarter cup, place it into the palm of my hand, and now watch. I'm going to rotate it. See where my thumb is right there? My thumb with my palm of my other hand, I'm rotating it. Check it out. See the thumb move? So I'm forming it into a ball. And as I get a little closer, a little bit more pressure, and the ball gets rounder, and there it is. Perfect. Perfect burger every time. Okay? You can make them bigger. I've only used a quarter cup measure. You can use a third of a cup, a half a cup, depending what you like. And then just remember, every once in a while, put your hands inside the water, and that stops the burgers from sticking to the palm of your hands. And as always, whenever you're using raw meat, you always want to wash your hands before and after. Even if you're using the plastic gloves, you always want to do that, okay? That's a good thing to know, and because it's also important for your health and the safety of your guests. There we go. Just round and round we go. Here we go. So simple. You can do these. Now I know I've seen sometimes they've got these little things, you just pop them out, but I have found that when you do that, they don't all stay in the same shape. This is much more because I'm putting a little bit more pressure into it in the palm of my hand that enables those to stay in shape. I'm using 80-20 beef for a special reason. The fat is what tastes good. I mean, let's face it. You know, three things that taste good in this world when you cook, right? Fat, okay, you know that, right? Salt, sugar. Just think about it. You know, you see sometimes those packaged foods and they say low in calories, okay, lower in fat. Take out the fat, what do you think they do? They put more salt and sugar in there. If you don't believe me, just go ahead and buy some low-fat fast food ingredients and chips or something like that and see on the other side. If you want to see maybe a salad dressing that's lower in fat, look at the level of sodium and the level of sugar that's in there, and you'll probably put it back on the shelf. Okay? Those are kind of things that are important to know because, well, you know, we are what we eat, right? And you want to enjoy it. That's why we're doing these burgers today because you're going to love them. They're probably not going to be enough for everybody, so, but that's all right. We're still going to have a good time doing it. Okay, I've got my burgers in round balls. Now we're going to smash them. This is the trick to get them to be really juicy. So let's go ahead and take one off. Place it on there. By the way, my tray has already been on the grill getting hot, so you want to preheat it. It's so important to do that. Now smash them, just like that. Smash, smash, and then we're just going to turn it over this and that way and get those hot. All right, now we're going to make our smashed burgers. This is a lot of fun. Just push them down. Just get it on there. And then let's turn it around and do it again. The juices are going to come out. They're going to be nice. And you know when they cook, they are going to reduce just a little bit. So don't be afraid to give them a good smash. All right, now I want to season my burgers. So to do that, I'm now going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. You noticed that earlier on, we did not season the burgers as we were making them. Because the key is this. We want to add flavor into it. And as the juices are coming out, the salt's going to extract some wonderful juices and give it some full flavor. Let's put a little pepper on there. Freshly ground pepper. Oh, these are going to be divine. To make them even better, I want to toast my buns. So we have these wonderful buns we're going to toast. And what I have here are the King's Hawaiian buns. Okay? So they're nice and tasty. And these are going to make just the perfect slider. I have some melted butter. Hit a little bit of butter on there. Get them nice and toasty. Just a little bit of butter. And then I'm going to toast the other side of it. Why leave one part out? We want it to be flavorful all the way around. Great. Let's place this off to the side. We'll close down our grill, let these beautiful babies cook, and we'll get right back to them. Okay, let's go ahead and take our buns off the fire. We don't want them to burn. And they're beautifully toasted, as you can see. I toasted them on both sides. Okay. And now, let's take a look at our smashed burgers. So, they still need some more cooking, but they're cooking down really nice. We want them to be well done in the middle, so keep an eye on those. Look at all this juice that's coming out of them. Man, these are full of flavor. See that juice? Delicious. Let's leave them on there for just a little while longer. Okay. Look at our burgers. They are just about ready, but we got to put some cheese on them. So let's put some American cheese right there on our burgers. Let them melt. One for you. One for you. One for you. Everybody gets one. Yep. American cheese. These are going to be cheesy. And one for you. We'll close the cover, let them melt just a little bit, and they're ready to come off the grill. All right, look at those cheesy sliders. These hamburgers are ready to come off the grill. One for you. One for you. One for you. And we're going to double our pleasure. Another one for you. And another one for you. And another one. Oh, these are the very, very best. Let's go ahead and top these luscious, juicy. Oh, look at the juice just flow right out of them. Man, this is more than a mouthful. You're going to enjoy every bite. Here they are, your life-changing hamburgers. These sliders will change your life. This is going to be the best ever tasting hamburger. Talk about juicy. Look at that. Smashed cheeseburgers don't get better than this. Please subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment. Tell us what you think. Of course, when you like us, let me know, because I'd love to get back and thank you. If you want to know the recipes, you want to check those out, check the comments. Right down there in the description, you will see our recipes. Remember, as always, our recipes are simple, yet they are delicious.